Take a ride in the 2020 BMW M2. The BMW M2 Performance Coupe continues to wow drivers with its driving experience. In addition, the latest technology features are in abundance, which includes the latest upgrade in the infotainment system. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, moonroof, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.